here. Second outside. Today we're going to be doing
The green
drifting.
slime.
Me
The
and
green slime.
Sean and
The
me
green
and
slime.
Kaboom Boom Boy and
the
the green
green
slime. So today we're going to do drifting. I hope you
Don't
guys
forget
enjoy.
VHGH. I'm the one
VHGH.
that's recording this big dope.
So fuck you. And also like, subscribe and comment to my channel, TheButter Slime. I didn't have that word space.
I'll probably leave it.
Also subscribe to VHGH.
I'll also probably leave the link for his channel in the description.
VHGH
And probably yours. Your VHGH. Dope. Oh no, I am.
Oh,
Hey.
I'm the water. I'm the drink boy.
No, you're not.
Hi guys. I have a shoot past you.
Oh jeez. God damn it. Fail. That was crap. You're supposed to lift the front wheel. Oh. Yeah, he's drinking alcohol.
Now next is the green slime and Kaboom Boom Boy. Let's go.
Kaboom Boom Boy. Go Kaboom Boom Boy. So while these are doing this, Luke, the TheButter Slime, do you want to tell us what our clan is called?
Well, a parkour clan is called the Parkour Ninjas.
Yeah.
And our Call of Duty clan is called the Lucky Charms. The Lucky Charms. So I'll be getting a PS4 next year, so we'll be all playing again Black Ops 3 next year.
I'm left out. I'm getting
VHGH won't get a PlayStation in 2 years.
Hopefully.
4.
Jesus.
So yeah, so we'll create our clan called the Lucky Charms. I have PS4. Our thing is called TLC. So that's our clan. If you see us, shout on the mic our name. So yeah, my turn.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, guys, let's
go with him, guys.
Just the water boy, Kaboom Boom Boy.
I'm gonna go up. Thor, just keep me recording. I'm gonna fly past you. Keep me recording. With the horn here. And see, I'm gonna crash into the curb and fall off.
For a finishing ending.
Shut the one,
No, you need to come in. You have to come in. There. Yeah, it's looking a bit rusty. Just go, kill yourself. Kill him.
So what do you want to do? Come follow me.
So far away. They're coming back. Go. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. As I said, I'll probably leave a link to the TheButter Slime channel.
Yes, anyway, we have one more trick to do. It's that game one for the last time, and we all have to do a parkour tumble at the end. So hope you enjoyed it.
I don't know him.
So leave a like, subscribe, and comment.
Fail. They probably died.